Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make noodles at home. If you're new to this channel, I suggest you subscribe so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them. Noodles are generally made from bread flour. However, depending on your taste, other ingredients like salt, oil and egg yolk can be added to it. But in this preparation, we will be using only bread flour. Now, in a large bowl, mix about 300 grams of bread flour and half cup of water. Mix until it becomes a dough. Now knead the dough until it becomes very smooth and elastic for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now cut the dough into small pieces and use your hand to flatten them. At this point, you can use the pasta hand machine to smoothen and stretch the dough. Now dust both sides of the dough portions with additional flour. Now at this point you can cut the dough into noodles with your knife, or you can use the pasta machine to do that. Now you can spread the noodles in the sun to dry. You can spread it on a wire dryer for a better result. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.